So one of the reasons people stop importing from China, or people that want to learn importation and then they stop, is because like they are scared to get scammed. So I noticed that that's the current thing. Like people are scared to import because they are scared. Like they are scared, they don't want to get scammed. So in today's video, I'm going to be like giving you a free supplier. So this supplier is one of my best supplier on 1688, guys. So I've bought like a lot of goods from this supplier, guys, and this supplier is an air fryer supplier and blender and everything. So this is the supplier I get all my blender and air fryer from, guys. And one thing is that before I give you this supplier, guys, I don't want you to just start messaging him on 1688 and everything. No, don't message him like that and be asking like different questions, because everything you needed is already on the like product page. So if you want to buy anything, just go to the product page, you will see the description and everything, and then you can now ask questions because you want to buy that time. But if you are just like wanted to buy, like if you are just trying to ask any questions from the supplier, guys, so you can just text me, I will reply you about this, guys, because I buy a lot from this supplier. So now let's go to message, guys. So this is the supplier right here. You see, this supplier is one of my most, like one of the most supplier I do get goods from. So as you can see, guys, you see these are previous order, guys. So these are our previous order. So let me keep scrolling. As you can see, so I do buy from this supplier a lot. So as you can see, guys, so this is the supplier I'm going to be giving you for free, guys. Like you literally not going to pay me any money. I'm just going to put the link in the description, so you can just find the link here and then just go to 1688, like just input it on your Chrome, guys, and you will see it, guys. And see, I do buy a lot from this supplier, guys. So as you can see, guys, these are some of my previous order. So now let's go to the store. Let's go to the store, guys. So in like importation is very sweet, but you need to be chill if you want to import from China, or else, guys, you might fall into wrong hand. Like supplier can scam you. Seriously, supplier can scam you, guys. So let's go to the product page, guys. I want to go to the product page. Let's go to the product page. Yes. So this is the product page, guys. So as you can see here, this is an air fryer. So as you can see, 15LL. Let me put it there. It is a 15-liter air fryer, guys, and as you can see, price and everything. But don't check the price here. Always click on buy now. So when you click on buy now, it is when you will see the exact price, guys. So that's just it, guys. So let's go to the product page of the supplier. Let's go to the product page. So what's wrong with the connection? So this supplier I've been selling this. Oh, let's go back. I don't know what's wrong. Just click here again. Yes. So this is the product page, guys. So as you can see here, guys, so I mean the supplier has been selling since since 9 years, guys. Not, as you can see here, this is in 9 years. You can just screenshot and just check yourself. So that's just it, guys. So as you can see here, the rating is very good. So these are the everything the supplier sells. As you can see here, see Silver Crest and everything. And see here, so this is the store, guys. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be giving you this supplier for free, like I said. So I'm going to be copying the link and I'll paste it in the description, guys. So if you need anything, just go to this supplier, guys, and the supplier will reply, guys. So you can just buy from this supplier. And one thing is that there is notes. I told you to buy from the supplier, but I did not tell you to make an offline payment. Don't make an offline payment. Because I've been buying from this supplier and I've shown you proof now, that doesn't mean that you should 100% trust this supplier. So don't trust any supplier 100%. Yes, don't trust me 100%, guys. So that's one thing you should have in business. So you should have instincts in business, guys. So don't just put all your money in one egg. So what you need to do is, if you make an online payment, the supplier will deliver for you completely 100%. But if you make an offline payment, then the supplier might deliver and might not deliver. So I don't know about that. I can't tell you about that for sure. But always make an online payment. If you make an online payment, the supplier will deliver to you, guys. So this part is very, very important, guys. So let me say it one more time. always make an online payment. Don't make an offline payment. So even though you don't have like international passport to verify your Alipay to pay, you can tell someone that has international passport that has international passport to help you pay, guys. So that's just it. Like me now, I'm a procurement agent. So that's just, I can help you to pay because I have an international passport. So don't make an offline payment, like I said, guys. So that's one thing, guys. So I will put the link in the description, guys. Just check it out so you can start buying your air fryer, guys. So thank you for watching and see you next time.